Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A15 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this phone. First we need to go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open Google Play Store. And here we have a Google Play Store, as you can see. And let's say I want to take a screenshot. To do it, simply press the power button and the volume down button together. Once you press them, you see the animation on the screen and this pop-up will appear, which indicates that you took a screenshot. You can also tap on edit button. To edit the screenshot, we have also the button share button, which is the one on the right, and this button allows you to tag the screenshot if you want to. Another thing you can do is to take a scroll screenshot. Basically, if you want to take a screenshot of something that doesn't fit on the screen, so basically we have a page of the store and we can scroll down, you can take a screenshot, which allows you to basically scroll down and keep taking a screenshot. So you can press the buttons to take a screenshot, and then you have this button right here, and you can scroll down with this button to take the scroll screenshot. As you can see, the preview gets bigger every time. And once you're done, you can wait a couple seconds and it will basically save. And if you're done taking your screenshot, you can check them in the gallery app, and you can go to albums, screenshots, and here we have our screenshots. As you can see here, here's the long screenshot, the scroll one, the normal screenshots and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.